OneGo. How to install the interior partitions. ModulePro consists of customizable dividers made of latches and sturdy Velcro that let you customize the interior of the OneGo to ensure you can safely carry photography kits from different sizes. Please note that the hook has to face downwards. Line up the stitch mark at the bottom of the divider with the red line on the back panel to customize configuration depending on what you need. The hook should be inserted into the backpack's hole when installing divider A. Divider B is flexible and foldable. The upper and lower layers allow you to store your gear. The upper and lower compartments can store your drone kit. The upper compartment can hold the remote when folded, while storing 2 batteries when unfolded. The 5 ways to install dividers. A. Place 2 A dividers into the 2nd and 4th holes to hold a mirrorless camera, action camera, and Mavic Air 2 combo with small accessories. B. Place 2 A dividers into the 1st and 4th holes to hold a mirrorless camera with 1 lens, some lighting equipment, a Mavic 2 combo, and a compact camera. C. Place 2 A dividers into the 1st and 5th holes to fit full-frame cameras, such as a Canon 5D4 camera with 2 lenses, a Mavic Mini 2 combo, a GoPro, and small accessories. D. When traveling, put 2 A dividers in the 2nd and 3rd hole inside your bag, so you can put your gear in the upper compartment and place your toiletry bags on the bottom compartment. E. When daily shooting, put 2 A dividers in the 2nd and 4th hole inside your bag, so you can put your everyday essentials and your mirrorless cameras, phones, gimbals, action cameras in the upper compartment and store your tech pouch on the bottom compartment. How to use the laptop sleeve. The laptop compartment is designed with a padded divider. It fits a 16-inch MacBook Pro, a tablet, and a stylus pen. You can easily fetch your contents by taking out the divider. How to use the interior pocket. The multiple interior pockets can store various accessories and daily essentials. The frontal and rear magnetic pockets allow you to store your everyday items such as sunglasses, memory card, and USB drive. You can place your wallet and important items into the zipper pocket at the bottom of the bag. You can place your filters and headphones in the left pocket. The right pocket is designed to hold your camera batteries, and the magnetic coin indicates your battery power, while also functioning as a 1/4-inch threaded quick-release wrench. How to use the side pockets. You can place your water bottle or tripod in the side pockets, or use them to store your everyday essentials like power banks, umbrellas, lip balms, or tissues. Pull strap to secure your items. How to use the external strap. You can put your tripod or sleeping bag at the bottom of your backpack, then use the 2 adjustable straps to fix your items in place. How to use the airlift system. Attach the waist straps to the chain links on either side of the backpack. Carry the backpack. Fasten the clasp and pull both sides of the waist strap to adjust tightness. Adjust the chest strap to the hook of the 2 shoulder straps until comfortable and fasten the chest strap. Pull the magnetic instant buckle on the frontal opening to easily access your items. Pull down the buckle to close the bag. Open the front zipper to easily access your contents. The bag even opens a full 180 degrees, which makes packing completely hassle-free.